Here's our dry vent. Look at it. Here's our dry vent right here. This is what we're gonna do, a dry vent clean service too. And this thing probably has never been done. It doesn't look like it's ever been done. Watch this. This way you wanna visit allterrain.com for the Supreme Clean. Yeah, 916-549, look at it right there. It doesn't, look, that's never been opened. This probably has never been cleaned. And see dog hair and all kind of stuff all around here. And really this roof has had its share of, it definitely needs to be treated for real. Okay, so let me go ahead and log off here. Well, let me open this up so you all can see down here as well. This is the exciting thing. It's like, I really enjoy doing this type of work here. I'm working for myself and I'm helping my clients, you know. Let me set this right here for a second. There we go. All right. And, ooh, and take a look. If you can see down, there's heavy buildup. We're gonna take this top off right here. Hold on, 1 second. There we go. It's being difficult, not wanting to come out. Oh yeah, that paint is stuck on it. That's why. There we go. Ooh. Okay, and, oh dang it. So look under there, see? That's what we have. So let's go ahead and get this all cleaned out here, make our way down, do these patching up and stuff, and we'll be back to you. Thank you, allterrain.com. For the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. If you're in the Sacramento region, we cover everything from Rockland, Roseville, North Highlands, Antelope, Fair Oaks, Carmichael, Folsom, Orangeville, and in between, all the way out